At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your evening weather update. Sure hope you had a great weekend. Of course, we saw some showers. We saw some thunderstorms. Today turned out to be a beautiful day. We actually had high temperatures topping out in the upper 70s to low, mid, and a few pockets of upper 80s, 87 in Chattanooga officially. We've got a level 1, level 2 risk for severe storms as we head into our Monday and Tuesday time frame. Got another disturbance on the way, and this is going to be a little bit more of a robust disturbance. So as we head through the day, we're talking about anywhere after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, damaging wind and torrential downpours. But yes, there is a chance for some spin in the atmosphere, a little bit of spin in the atmosphere. So let's walk you through our future cast. We'll pick up our timeline at 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday. We'll likely start off with some patchy, dense fog. That fog is going to burn off, but here comes round number 1. Round number 1 is going to come through as we get into the lunch hour through about 3 o'clock. Then round number 2 is likely closer to about dinner and bedtime, and then it kicks its way on out of here. But again, we do have a level 2 risk for the most part for severe storms, and damaging wind would be the main threat. Rainfall amounts, well, some decent amount of rain. So flooding and flash flooding is going to be a concern in places that, well, saw a lot of rain here over the last several days. Here's that disturbance in the upper parts of the atmosphere diving its way to the south and southeast. That's the culprit to seeing the showers and thunderstorms. So Monday, we start off with temperatures in the mid-60s, patchy, dense fog. By lunchtime, we'll see those temperatures climbing to the mid-80s, and forecast high temps will top out in the low, mid, and a few pockets of upper 80s. So it is going to be warm and fairly average. Now, after tomorrow, the dew points start to drop, and so that drier air starts to settle its way on in. That's going to make Tuesday, Wednesday feel a little bit more comfortable. Plus, it's going to shut down the chance for rain. Dew points start to skyrocket back up by the end of the week and the weekend, and so do the rain chances. And so we're looking at elevated rain chances over the next 7 days. Maybe about a half an inch to about an inch of rainfall is looking likely at this point of the game. So your 7-day forecast will be in the low to mid, maybe a few pockets of upper 80s from time to time here this week, but generally speaking, at or slightly above average weather is on the way. We'll see dry conditions as we get into our Tuesday, Wednesday, but Thursday through the upcoming weekend, yes, unfortunately, another weekend with more rain on the way. Check in with Wake Up with Witcher. We're going to do 7 o'clock in the morning. White, bright, no, let's see. No, my kids have to be after school. We're doing 6 o'clock in the morning while my kids are in summer school. Then we will do 7 o'clock in the morning when they're out of summer school and a lot of you can sleep in. All right, anyways, either way you look at it, join me on all East Tennessee weather platforms each and every day for all of your latest weather forecast information. Have a great night.